So now we are going to integrate Notepad data into MS Excel. For this, we have already created a Notepad file. Uh, um, we have already created a Notepad file in which we have given data like name, roll number, and marks secured. Aditya Kumar Das, roll number row 1, marks secured 89. Jitu Vishwal, roll number 2, Smaran Das, Sumarna Das. So these are the data which has been given along with their roll number and marks secured. So how to integrate this data in MS Excel? So what you have to do is that you have to go to data in file. Then you have to click on from text. Click on this notepad that we have already created. Import. Now see. Okay. So if you load it directly, what will happen? See. Uh, See name, roll number, roll number, mark secured. Name, roll number, mark secured is coming in one column. Column one and column this is coming. So this is not correct. So you have to do is you have to again. Okay, remember that why the comma is given in Notepad file is to separate the text. That is what the CSV is all about. So again, you have to go to data from text. Okay, Notepad it is correct. Import it is also correct. Then from this, the changes will be done. How it will be done? See that you should not go for load direct because this is not the right heading of the columns. So you have to click on transform data. Once you're going for that, then uh, then here you can do the changes required. Suppose this is name only, so you'll write here and you have to click on rename, then you have to write only name. Then column 2 is all about roll number, so you have to write here roll number. Okay, done. Roll number. And column 3 is marks secured. Column 3 is marks secured. So you have to write here marks marks secured. Done. Okay. So now what you have to do is once you're going for closing it, then do you want to keep your changes? Yes, keep it. Now you can see that. Now you are getting the right proper data of three columns: name, roll number, and mark secured. Now the question is whether if we are changing anything in our notepad, then whether that will be reflected in Excel sheet or not. We'll go for that. Suppose the next roll number is Mahasweta Nayak. Having roll number suppose 006, comma, comma is about given. Okay, 06 and C has secured suppose 85. Okay, control S and close it. Now we'll go to our Excel file. Okay, so Mohita Naik is not coming here in Excel. So again, what you have to do is you have to refresh all. Okay, now see that Mohita Naik rule 685 has also been included in Excel file. So this is how you should integrate. Okay, integrate data of Notepad into Excel.